How would you like the idea of making money online while doing nothing? I know it sounds too good to be true, but believe me, these money-making apps will earn you $600 per day without doing anything. Literally, this is the perfect chance for beginners to make money online in 2022. So what are these apps? I'll be revealing them in a few, so stay glued to this video all the way to the end so you won't miss this big opportunity for you to make money online. And since you have been very supportive, let me return the favor by giving you not one, not two, but 3 money-making apps that will surely give you $600 without doing any work in 2022. Plus, there will be a bonus app if you stick around long enough. Here's an even better news. This method is available worldwide and you only need one thing. That is your smartphone. You can use these money-making apps on both Android and iOS devices. Just follow all the simple and easy steps that I'm going to give you, so after watching this video, you can start earning money online doing nothing. You can earn money online whenever you check your phone, whether you're out for lunch or even just sitting on your couch. You can literally make money online without doing any heavy lifting, so better watch out for these free money-making apps for beginners, so you could have a nice income stream on the side. But before anything else, welcome back to the Online Money Girl channel. I'm your Online Money Girl, and I teach people all over the world the latest tips and trends on how to make fast and easy money online, regardless of background and expertise. If you're into that, tap the like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell icon so you'll always be in the loop with the latest money-making news. If there are some online earning opportunities from home that you would like us to feature, let me know in the comments below, and who knows, that could be my topic on the next video. So without further ado, let's start your online money-making journey. The first app that I'm going to show you is called TV2. That's TV-TWO. You can look them up on their website, tv-2.com. It is an entertainment blockchain where you can watch videos, earn crypto, and boost earnings. Quick bonus tip, you can maximize your earnings by playing videos in multiple tabs. Just let them run and make money online doing nothing. TV-2 is only available on Google Play Store at the moment. If you search for it, you'll find that it has over 300,000 users and it has currently an amazing 4.7-star rating. After downloading it on your device, you can click it right away and start earning, or you can link your phone to your smart TV so you can watch the videos on a bigger screen and still start making money online. There are unlimited videos to watch, so you can literally spend an entire day clicking and watching videos. The second app that will give you real money while doing nothing is called App Karma. Just type in the app name and search for it on your browser. Once you search it, you can immediately see this earn rewards playing. App Karma will let you earn rewards by playing, and it's absolutely free. From the word itself, you're not required to take some cash from your pocket to use this app, but instead, it will put some money into your pocket. Do you want that concept? Well, stay tuned to know more about this app. What makes App Karma amazing is that just by downloading it, you can earn 300 points, which is equivalent to $3. Well, $3 is not bad at all. You didn't actually do anything, you just downloaded the app and you earned $3. And if you can log into your account every day, you can claim rewards every time you open the app. One more thing, if you scroll down a bit, you can see the achievement badges that will make your earnings double or even triple. As easy as that, without doing anything, you can multiply your earnings even when you're sleeping. What a great deal, right? But wait, there's more. If you share this with your friends and family, you can earn 30% of what they earn if they will accept your invitation to use this app. To download, simply go to Google Play Store and type in App Karma. Make sure to download the correct one, and let me show you the logo of it. Download now and see it for yourself. The third app on our list is called Cash 4 Minutes. You can look it up at cash4minutes.com. Unlike the other apps that I've mentioned earlier, this one is totally different. But you can still literally earn and make money online just by listening to internet radio broadcasts. Yes, just listen and earn real money online doing nothing. I bet you beginners will love this app. If you hover your cursor down a bit, you can see that this app will pay you weekly or monthly depending on your choice. You can also choose from the different payment methods you want. They have PayPal, Bitcoin, or Amazon vouchers. Just sign up, link your profile and phone number, and you can start earning money by listening to radio broadcasts. Also, this app can give you extra income by referring your friends, and you will receive 5% of what they earn. That's real money making while doing nothing. And if you want more, let me give you the fourth app which will give you real money online in this year of 2022. But first, why not give this video a big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell to be notified of our future money-making videos. The fourth app that I'm talking about is called Money SMS. This app allows you to earn and make money without literally doing anything. Just by receiving text messages, you can earn real cash. As of the moment, this app is only available for Android users. Once you downloaded it, you will start receiving messages, but you don't have to read or open them. You can delete or ignore them right away. This is totally free and available to everyone around the world. But don't worry because Money SMS app is totally secure, so you won't have to worry about registering your phone number. The best part is, you can cash out your earnings within 48 hours. Just by receiving text messages and doing nothing after 48 hours, you can have real money online. How cool is that? Also, you can refer this to your friends and family, and you will get 30% of how much they earn. More referrals, more income. So that wraps up the 4 money-making apps that will guarantee all beginners to earn and make money online in 2022 without doing anything, literally. What are you waiting for? Download these apps now and start earning as much as you can. Let us know in the comments section if you're interested in trying these apps and what app you would try first. If you found value in this video and would like to know more money-making hacks online, give us a huge thumbs up, hit subscribe, and the notification bell icon. Thanks so much for watching till the end. I appreciate you and your time. As always, this is OMG saying BYE. I'll see you in the next money-making video.